Hey, what's happening? It's me. Today's video is gonna be a Sephora play unbagging. I did not do one for the month of May. I filmed a video. I filmed my unbagging for the month of May, and I also filmed my Ipsy unbagging for the month of May, but I didn't have time to edit them or upload them, so they're just kind of like meh. I've been super absent on YouTube lately because I have been spending my focus on my Poshmark closet. I've become a full-time reseller, full-time fashion reseller on Poshmark, and I absolutely freaking love it. It's so much fun. Check out this shirt that I found thrifting. It's an H&M shirt, and it says like, I don't know, New York City right here. Like, I'm just like, hey, but I really like what it says on the arm. I don't know if you can tell, but it says rad since forever. You know, this is just a shirt to like lounge around in. I'm not gonna like wear this out because it's like, what is this? New York City, oh no, big city swell. Like what does that mean? I don't know. Anyway, Sephora play. The theme for the month of June is Destination Beauty. The bag is orange this month. First thing in the bag is from Biosense. This is the squalane and tea tree detox mask. I can't, guys. What's a video? How do I film? What's a camera? What am I doing? Whether your trip is packed with excursions or is luxuriously itinerary free, there's always time for a calming, softening face mask that draws out impurities. So that's what like it looks like. Focus. I like masks. I do. We've got something from Tarte. This is a concealer. Found sealer. What the a found sealer, guys. I've been out of the makeup game for a little bit. This is the Tarte Found Sealer. Okay, dokie. I'm assuming it's like a foundation and a concealer in one. Found Sealer. Okay. It's in the color light beige. It says the only thing that needs to work hard when you're PTO is your foundation. That's why this multitasking formula is a first class favorite. Okay. Found Sealer. A found sealer. Okay. Found sealer. What color was this again? Light beige? Yeah, it's probably gonna be my color. I think, yeah. There's that. From Laneige, this is the lip sleeping mask. I have the water sleeping mask for like your face. I have not tried the lip ones. When holidaying, use any excuse to sleep a little longer. For instance, my overnight lip mask needs more time to moisturize. Wake me up in an hour. Oh, my eye is really twitching. Do you see that? Do you see that? It's really twitching. What? I do love Laneige as a brand. I think they're a really good skincare brand. Look how little bitty itty baby this is. So I'm actually really excited to try that. Next, we have something from Belief. This is the True Cream Aqua Bomb. We got a lot of skincare stuff, huh? A lot of skincare stuff. Cannonball, what? Oh. Cannonball into hydration with an ultra lightweight antioxidant rich moisturizer that feels like a pool party for your face. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, there we go. Next, we have something from First Aid Beauty, another skincare product. My eye is still twitching. This is the Ultra Repair Berry Air Cream. Strengthen, balance, and hydrate, safe for sensitive skin. And the last thing we have is from Hum. Oh, vitamins. Okay, Hair Sweet Hair gummies with benefits. I've seen people talk about this brand before. It's hair vitamins. It has biotin, folic acid, B12, zinc, and PABA. It is one daily vitamin for you, one for your hair. This gummy promotes healthy strands, plus it's really tasty. Probably not gonna take this. I take a multivitamin daily, plus I still take prenatal vitamins, so yeah, probably not gonna try this. I don't know, I just have a problem like trying things like this, you know. I don't